How to Paint by Krylon. In this video, we'll show you how to achieve an ultra matte chalky paint finish with our Krylon Chalky Finish paint. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need a drop cloth, light grit sandpaper, lint-free cloths, a stir stick, rubber gloves, a Purdy nylon polyester brush, and your cans of Krylon Chalky Finish paint and clear sealer. Lay down the drop cloth to protect your work area. Now, it's time to prep. First, use sandpaper to dull the surface and smooth chipped paint. Next, wipe down your project with a damp, lint-free cloth. Then, wait for it to dry. Then, open your can of Krylon Chalky Finish paint and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't skip this part. It's important for achieving a great finish. Okay, it's time to paint. Apply your base color with a nylon polyester brush. Keep in mind, shorter brush strokes give you better coverage. After the paint is dry, you can sand raised edges for a distressed look. Next, wipe down your project with a dry, clean cloth and apply Krylon Chalky Finish clear sealer. And you're done! That's all it takes to achieve this on-trend, ultra matte chalky finish. Now you give it a try.